Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons here are from the left, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on volume keys I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's move to the right corner button to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now we have to move to left side and pick the settings button to open them. And here let's slide a little bit to find the volume buttons function. When we tap on it, we can decide to use this as shutter, which is now shutter countdown, zoom and volume. So let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.